Why don't you see your way out of your criminal investigation?
I'm just watching.
What's that?
I'm just watching.
You recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. Please don't take my phone.
Just go.
Just please leave me alone.
Go.
Just please leave me alone.
You have ID?
4.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's story was submitted by Christopher Shellhammer from the Chuck U. Farley channel. Chuck Farley is Christopher's pseudonym, who in April of 2020 was filming a traffic stop that he was in no way involved with. He filmed the incident from a considerable distance and never spoke with any of the officers as they conducted their investigation. About 1.5 minutes after pressing the record button, Lieutenant Stephen Dowlin of the Pennsylvania State Police noticed Chris and walked over to question him.
You got ID?
4.
What's that?
4.
They're coming here to meet somebody. I'm making sure it isn't you.
I don't know any of these people.
Yeah. You don't know any of these people?
I don't know anybody.
Why don't you see your way out of your criminal investigation?
I'm just watching.
What's that?
I'm just watching.
You recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. Please don't take my phone.
I'm not
Please don't touch my phone.
Stop it.
Please don't touch my
They're
phone.
coming here to meet somebody.
They're
So
not
do you
coming
want to
here to
come
meet
part
me.
of this?
Please don't.
Just go.
Just please leave me alone.
Go.
Just please leave me alone.
Turn around. You're going right now. I'm not.
I'll leave when we're done here.
What's that?
I'll leave when we're done
You
here.
have ID?
4.
Because they're coming here to meet somebody.
All right, what's your name? What's your name, officer? Please don't touch my phone.
Give me your ID.
I'm not
Give
giving
me your ID right now.
I'm not giving you anything.
You are right now.
I'm not giving you anything.
You are right now.
Well,
Lieutenant Dowlin seizes Chris's phone, turning it off in the process. He then conducted a pat-down and demanded that he identify. Chris continued to refuse and was released.
I'd still like your name, officer. I'd still like your name.
I'd like yours too.
Well, the difference is I don't have to provide it. I'll see your supervisor. I'm just watching. I'm just fucking watching. Like, these guys don't know me. Like,
What's going on out there?
they say they're doing a drug stop, and I don't care what they're doing. I'm gonna fucking watch.
I went out there once. They didn't say that. Yeah, I seen very.
Ain't nobody gonna come in this damn gas station as long as they're out there.
I just need a black cherry game.
Damn. Was he smart with you?
Oh yeah, he was a fucking dick.
Chris then goes live before leaving the gas station for his own safety.
See, I just took a regular video of these guys, and this cop over here talking to the young guy on the left just pretty much assaulted me, took my phone out my hands, patted me down, won't give me his name, is demanding ID from me. I just pulled up to the gas station to get some tobacco and saw this and decided to watch. But I made the mistake of just doing a regular video, so if he wants to be an asshole, this time we're live. I know earlier he broke contact. He said it was an officer safety thing, me standing here recording him. I told him no, it's a First Amendment thing, and which he broke contact and hasn't said anything since.
Chris continued to livestream the incident and speak with his audience for another 15 minutes and leaves without further incident, other than the egregious violation of Chris's civil rights. I wanted to highlight this video because just before it was filmed, Chris was acquitted of first-degree murder. He had met a woman online, and prior to their 4th date, Chris expressed concerns about her ex-boyfriend, who had punched him in the face the last time Chris met the woman. The woman assured him that it was safe. Chris testified that while in her house, the ex-boyfriend appeared and attacked him, and Chris defended himself, fatally shooting the man. Almost exactly 1 year later, while Chris was still on trial, the same woman but with a different man allegedly baited a second victim into the same house. The second victim wasn't armed, and according to local news stations, was tied up and beaten in the basement for days prior to escaping. Prosecutors for Christopher's case successfully argued to suppress the woman's second incident, and the victim in that incident later died, unrelated to his kidnapping, and all charges against the woman were dropped. She was most recently arrested for the alleged attempted murder of her own parents, but the charges were lowered to assault and she is currently incarcerated awaiting trial on that case. Fortunately for Chris, he was acquitted, and the lesson here is that the police and the justice system work in tandem and are equally corrupt. We have officers that don't understand the laws they've sworn to enforce, that assault, batter, and violate the civil rights of the citizens they serve. On the other hand, we have an entire court system that can't find justice for real victims. A big thanks to Chris from the Chuck U. Farley channel for sending this in and helping me with the details of this video. Please be sure to head over to his channel and let him know I sent you. Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.